Hi students, good evening. Yes, today we are going to learn about resources and development. Resources. Often we have listen this word here. This word from I think before 8th standard we are reading this about resources. Resources. What is mean by resources? Resources. What are the things made the development of human or it is satisfy our need as resources are free gift. Okay, it is given by nature as resources are free gift. It is given by nature. What are the things satisfy our need? That is called resources. So this lesson is resources and development. Yes, how we are developing ourselves with the help of resources. These resources are divided into three types. One is natural resource, second one is human made resource, third one is human resource. But in the 10th standard book they didn't give human made, only they have given directly natural resource and human resource. That's all. Okay, so these mainly two. First natural resource and human resource. Okay, so these are divided into more types: renewable, non-renewable. Non-renewable into divided into two: recyclable or non-recyclable, and renewable resources. Continuous like wind and water, biological like slow process, vegetation, animal and some things. Okay, these are natural resources and human resources. Human resources mean human being only human resources. Yes, the structures and instructions, higher authority and workers and quantity, how many quality, yes, quality of the worker, quantity of the worker, everything we are going to learn in this video. That's all. Okay, this is the introduction. Now the first part we are going to learn the first part, types of resources, how we are divided the resources, how many types are there. Yes, mainly we are divided the resources on the basis of four types. Yes, four types. How many types? Four types of resources. Yes, for example, on the basis of origin. Yes, on the basis of origin, first type, and then on the basis of exhaustibility. Yes, that is divided into two: renewable and non-renewable. And third one, on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership. And then fourth one, status development. Yes, okay. Yes, these four types only we are going to learn in this video. Okay, children, are you ready to learn? Yes. Okay, children, first I told you four types. Okay, first one, on the basis of origin. Yes, how it is created, how it was created, the natural resources and man-made resources, everything. Okay, as they are, as the natural resources are developed by two types. There are two types, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means nothing, very easiest one, living things. What are the living things? They are called biotic. For example, in the world we are having more plants, animals, birds, insects and so many creatures. Okay, they are called biotic resources. Yes, yes, on the basis of origin, two types. One is biotic and abiotic. Okay, biotic resources are living things. The living things are called biotic resources. For example, animals, plants, birds, insects. Okay, some other creatures. Okay, then next abiotic. Abiotics are non-living things. Yes, what are the non-living things? We know about that. So many rocks, as metals. Okay, gold, silver, iron, and the next fossil fuel, or so many things. Okay, they are non-living things. Living things, non-living things. On the basis of origin, only two types, biotic, abiotic. Biotics are living things, abiotics are non-living things. This one we have already read in 8th standard, don't forget. Okay, very easiest one. And the next second one, exhaustibility. Yes, exhaustibility. Second one, exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, two types. One is renewable and another one is non-renewable resources. Yes, maybe on 5 mark will come on the basis of renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, As for example, renewable resources can reproduce in short time, as within 10 years, 20 years, or 50 years, we can reproduce it, or daily also we can reproduce the sources. That is called renewable resources. For example, sunlight. Yes, every day if we taken the sunlight today, tomorrow also we can take the sunlight. And then forest, if we make deforestation, make afforestation, if we cut the tree, we can plant the tree next day. Wildlife, animals, if we hunt the animal, next day we can herd the animal. So renewable resources can reproduce the in short time. Yes, we can reproduce the resources. That is called the renewable resources. And then second one, this is renewable resources. Second one, non-renewable resources. As we can't reproduce within short time, it will take thousands of years. Okay, like example, fossil fuel, petrol, diesel. Okay, everything we are taking from the mineral oil, as everything we are taking from the land by the borewell. Okay, so it will take long time to produce the resources. So this is called non-renewable resources. So first one we have already learned on the basis of origin, biotic, abiotic, and then second only exhaustibility. Two types, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. The third one is ownership. Yes, on the basis of ownerships are four types: individual owned, community owned, national, and international. So four types of resources comes here. Okay, so first individual, as for example, owned private government allotted land, plot, house. For example, your father save some profit, okay, land, asset for you. For example, you are having own house, that is individual. You don't want to give your house to any public. Okay, no one come and say to you, this is mine, I also can live within your house. Yeah, because that is your individual house, owned, private. Okay, so this is individual, that is yours. Okay, as your land, you are having some land, your plot, okay, your house, your property. You can have vehicles, okay, bike, car, or some things. Okay, you maybe sometimes in your class you can say, hey, this is my pen, give me. You are fighting with your friends, no? Yes, that is so individual means that is your own property, that is called individual. Okay, on the basis of ownership, first one is individual, and then second one, community owned means for example, in a village there are so many caste people, religion people are living. In the olden time also we read about, no? Yes, in the street fully can used by higher caste people, and low caste people can't come within the street. For that also Periyar, the Vaikam Veerar, Periyar also fighting in Kerala. Something happened. So use community members, village commonwealth. For example, in a village, if there is a well, means the village people can use the well, not other village people or other people. Next, a temple. The temple also only for the village people. Pond as burial ground, and the next herding land. Yes, so burial ground, the Sudagadu. Okay, that also each community people has different places for different burial ground. Okay, I think you can understand. I don't want to explain elaborately this chapter. Okay, community owned means, okay, particular people used that, that's all. Okay, that is community property. On the basis of ownership, we have learned two. What is that? There are four. First one individual, second one community owned. So two division over. Third one national. Yes. Third one national. Country can take private property also for public. For example, this is national. Okay, overall, for example, roads are public property, railway public property, canals public property. Okay, yes, when they are building the road or railway or canal, yes, if any private property need for the government, they will take the they will take for the public. Yes, so nation, within a nation they can take any property for the government, for the people. Okay, so not only inside the country, out of the country, in the ocean. Okay, in the oceanic area also 12 nautical miles, yes, from our country. Okay, land boundaries, from the land boundaries 12 nautical miles is, okay, 12 nautical miles is for their countries. Okay, the boundary countries, 12 nautical miles means 22 kilometers. Okay, 1 nautical mile equal to 1.852 kilometer, 1.852 kilometers. So the third one is national one. Next, international resources. Next, finally, international resources on the basis of ownership for individual, community owned, next national owned, finally international resources. International resources regulate some resources. International institutions regulate some resources. The country can take the resources beyond 200 nautical miles with the permission of international. Yes, we cannot take, okay, without the permission of international institution beyond 200 nautical mile, any minerals, oils or something, any resources. If we want to take any resources, we must get permission from international institution. So this is the fourth one. Okay, so first one original, second one origin, biotic, abiotic, accessibility divided into 2, renewable, non-renewable, ownership divided into 4. Okay, individual, community owned, national, international. There are 4. Okay, finally, on the basis of status development, this is the last one. Okay, final one, status development. This also this topic also having 4: potential, developed, stock, resource. Nothing. Potential is very easiest one. We have the resource, we have enough of resource, but we cannot use. Yes, we are not utilizing that because of distance. Don't fair, because of, okay, because of fair distance. Okay, potential is we have, for example, in Rajasthan, we know about hottest place. Okay, desert, because desert. Okay, Thar desert. Thar desert in Rajasthan, nearby Rajasthan, Gujarat, both states also having more heat, and the next wind facilities. Yes, wind flowing, more wind, so we can take wind energy and solar energy in Rajasthan and Gujarat. But because of distance, because when we want to make a long, okay, electrical line, while bringing the electricity from Rajasthan, Gujarat, we want to lose more electricity, so some problems are there. Because of that only we are not taking electricity by wind and solar from Rajasthan and Gujarat. So this is the potential. We have enough of energy, but we are not using that. That is called potential. Okay, can you understand? Yes. Second one, developed. Yes, developed, status development, developed, surveyed the quality and quantity of resource, depend on technology and feasibility. For example, as some minerals, okay, some resources are surveyed, as our government, as how much is there, as we have surveyed, and what are the quality, what are the quantity, everything surveyed. Maybe in future depend on the technology. If we are finding more technology, depend on the technology, we will use this in future developed. Can you understand? Yes, all the developed stock and resource more or less same points. Okay, so surveyed, because surveyed the quality and quantity of resources depend upon the technology. Yes, on behalf of technology we can use it in future. Next, stock. We have enough of stock, more stock. We have enough of material but not having technology to use. Yes, developed is on the we are depend upon technology we can use, but for this we have no technology. Developed we have technology, depend upon technology and the cost we are using in future, we are surveyed. Stock is we have material but we are not having the technology how to use it. For example, hydrogen, we can fire the hydrogen, you know about that. And the next, oxygen. Yes, without oxygen we can't fire. So hydrogen also we can use for firing. Oxygen also we can use firing. Okay, H2O is water. Okay, but we are not having technology to separate the hydrogen and oxygen to make fire. Can you understand? So this one is very important. We are not having technology but we are having more resources. We are having more material. Finally, resource. The fourth one is resource. Yes, we want to save the resource for future generation. Okay, that is very important. Okay, if we are using the resources now in our generation, okay, our son, our grandson, okay, great grandson, what they will use. As already I told, my grandfather bathed in river, my father bathed in lake, now I am bathed in bathroom. My son maybe bathing with a towel, okay, only a glass of water. My grandson, I think they won't bath, I don't know about that. Okay, yeah, this is the yes. So finally, status development, 4 types: potential, developed, stock, resource. Okay, the first topic is over. Please take notes for this and I will send you the question. Read and write self test. Okay, thank you.